In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent in Smartsheet. Indenting in Smartsheet is a quick way to build a clean hierarchy, group related items, and make your information easier to scan. You'll use a simple keyboard shortcut to move selected items under a parent line, creating a clear structure without any complicated setup. Start by opening your Smartsheet and navigating to the sheet you want to organize. Imagine you have a simple list of tasks or items already added. Indenting works best when your list is in order, because the rows you indent will nest under the row directly above them, turning that top row into the parent. This is great for subtasks, phases, or categories that roll up neatly. Next, highlight the cells you want to indent. Click and drag to select them, or use Shift-click to select a range. If you're working with multiple items, make sure you include all the rows you want nested together. Indentation in Smartsheet is essentially a row-level action, so selecting across those rows ensures they move as a group. If your sheet has a primary column, make sure your selection includes that column, since hierarchy displays there. Now for the shortcut. Press and hold the Control key on your keyboard, then tap the close bracket key, which is the right-facing square bracket like this. On most US keyboards, you'll find it near the P key. Keep it simple, hold Control, press, and release. The selected rows will shift slightly to the right, showing that they're now children of the row above. You'll typically see a small expand or collapse icon next to the new parent row, confirming the hierarchy is in place. That's it. You've indented your list and created a tidy structure with just a couple of keystrokes. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're not actively editing a cell when you use the shortcut. If your cursor is flashing inside a cell, press Escape to exit edit mode first. If nothing seems to happen, double-check that there's a row directly above your selection to act as the parent. Also, confirm you have the right permissions on the sheet to modify hierarchy. On some keyboards or language settings, the bracket key might be in a different spot, so locate the close bracket on your layout before you try the shortcut. Once you get used to it, indenting becomes second nature and makes your sheet far more readable. Give it a try on your own list and enjoy a cleaner, more organized Smartsheet in seconds.